Index, my eyebrows are both piercing.
The windows are yours, yes, yours. Do sit down. We were wrong.
I did it on principle.
Okay, you sit down. Sorry? तुम्हारा है नहीं कैरेक्टर? ओके, यू स्टैंड अप. अब तुम लोमो बन गए, बात खत्म. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. चलो.
Yeah, the principal just now let's talk to something else.
लोमो. You are now लोमो. सेकंड लास्ट लोमो है ना, सेकंड लास्ट लोमो. द मोर वहां से स्टार्ट करो.
Last.
I did it on
चलेगा. कंटिन्यू.
I did it on principle. My name is what written to me, but the principal.
Yes, the principal just now let's talk to something else.
The more so as I have evidence. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's cushion.
Yes, let that pass. I wish I knew how to
get him started.
get him started. Are you going to start shooting soon?
I am thinking of having a go at the
Black Rock?
Natalia. Natalia after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think, what a misfortune.
I've had my dog.
I had my dog. Guess who you know has gone lame.
What a pity life.
I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or eaten by some other dog. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense I gave.
अरे एक मिनट, मैं गुम हो गया. रुको. What you क्या किस तरह बोल रहे हो? What a pity. मैं उसके बाद कहाँ थे? I don't know.
125.
एक मिनट.
125.
120. और हाँ 125.
Those too much fun. Yes.
Yes. एक मिनट, तू बैठे. तू बहुत बैठ. I want a different character.
सर ये बाकी
Yes. Give him a book. Is it allowed to share?
Yeah. No, sir. No, sir.
शेयर करो भाई. We have to share. हम सारे character. अब तू चुप रहना. इनसे छुट्टा लफा फेंक के मारूंगा.
It was too much. Ivan,
बस इवन छोड़ो.
That's it. हो गया.
I think it was very cheap. He is the first red boy.
Now let me tell you. अब स्टोरी आ रही है डॉग पे. Now he is explaining कि वो कुत्ता कितना महंगा था. Okay?
Papa gave $85 for his squeezer, and the squeezer is heaps better than
Yes.
Squeezer better than gas? What an idea. Squeezer better than gas.
Of course, he is better, of course. Squeeze is young. He may develop a bite, but on points, pedigree, he is better than anything that even
Volkansky
has got.
Okay, let me tell you, it's like about squeezer and pedigree are food for dogs. Okay, squeezer and pedigree. Again, chaliye.
Excuse me.
Natalia.
Natalia, but you forgot that he is overshot. And an overshot always means the dog is a dead hunter.
Overshot is he? The first time I hear it.
I sure you that his
Lower jaw.
is shorter than the upper.
That's it.
Have you measured?
Yes, he's all right at following, of course. But if you want to get hold of anything,
In the first place, our squeezers is in a
Thoroughbred.
thoroughbred animal, the son of farmers and the chisels while there's no getting at the pedigree of your dog at all. He's old and as ugly as a worn out cab horse.
Wait, अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? झगड़ झगड़ के कुत्ते को भी गाली दे रहे हैं. Like something. अब यहाँ पे this entire incident is taking place outside Chubuko's house. अब वहाँ यहाँ पे लैंड के झगड़े, वहाँ कुत्ते के लिए झगड़ रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को बता रहे हैं और बाद में ये बता रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा कुत्ता एक काम करता था और बता रहे हैं कि जॉ छोटा था, मेजर करने में नॉल है. आगे
He is old, but I wouldn't take 5 scissors for him. Why? How can you guess it's a dog? As for scissors, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as scissor. You may find them under every bush. Was almost 25 hours would be a handsome price to pay for it.
There's some demon of a contradiction in you today. Even first you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now that the gas is better than squeezer.
एक मिनट, there is a confusion. Yeah, I think gas and squeezer both are dog. I presume that at first यहाँ पे एक word था pedigree. तो pedigree I assume that it's a food of dog, but definitely there are two dogs, gas and squeezer. कैसा नाम रखा है इन्होंने, किसी को पता भी नहीं चले पहले ट्रायल में. Gas is better than squeezer. Okay, here now नटालिया, देखिए इस चैप्टर के अंदर ना समझने जैसा कुछ नहीं, याद करने जैसा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं कि फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट क्या हुआ था झगड़े का. फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट एंड बिगिनिंग वाज प्रपोजल, फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट वाज मीडो और लैंड. ओके, और इसके पॉइंट से आपको पता होने चाहिए कि इसका कहना था जो हमारा हीरो है कि मेरी आंटी के दादी जी ने तुम्हारे दादाजी को दिया था, मेरी आंटी के दादी जी ने तुम्हारे दादाजी को दिया था, समथिंग लाइक दिस. और ये बोल रहा है नो 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 यू आर रॉन्ग, इस तरह से था. दूसरा पॉइंट, जब उनको पता चला कि ये प्रपोजल के लिए आए थे तो ये दौड़ते दौड़ते वापस बाहर गई वहां पे, और वहां पे कुत्तों के लिए झगड़ रहे थे ये दोनों कि कौन से दो कैरेक्टर्स बताए हैं, गैस और स्क्वीज, ये दोनों के लिए दोनों झगड़ रहे हैं. एंड देयर इन्होंने अमाउंट के बारे में बताया, वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए कितने अमाउंट किसके लिए लिए गए थे. ओके, ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स ज्यादा कुछ में नोट लेने जैसा है नहीं. कंटिन्यू बेटा.
That gas is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly gas. Why do you want to say he isn't?
Okay, wait. Sit down. Now two characters, Lumo, Natalia, Novo, Natalia. चुबुको तो एंड में आएगा, जब तक चुबुको नहीं आते हैं तब तक के लिए दो कैरेक्टर चाहिए. यू आरती, तुम नटालिया बनोगी, तुम ही बन जा यार, खड़ी हो. ये पता है इसको आज कैसे भी करेंगे. Yes, one Natalia and Lomo. Okay, start.
I see, Natalia, that you consider me as a blind or a fool. You must realize that Squeezer is overshoot.
It's not true.
He is.
It's not true.
Why should, madam?
Bite of good. It's awful. It's time he gets was short, and you compare him with Caesar.
Excuse me, I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating.
I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least.
Madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up.
I shall shut up until you
Acknowledge.
acknowledge that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guess.
100 damn words be hanged to a Squeezer. His head, eyes, shoulders.
He has not needed to hang your silly guess. It's a half dead already.
Shut up. My heart is bursting.
I shall shut up.
What's the matter now?
Papa,
What happened?
सर चुपको को आ गया. वापस आए.
नहीं, ये दूसरा बिहेव करके पढ़ा, उसने भी किया था, इसने भी किया था, उसको वापस नहीं बना. तुम खड़ी हो जाओ वापस. ये बनेगी चुपको. बाप.
What's the matter now? Papa, tell us truly which is the better dog, our Squeezer or his guest?
Stephen, I implore you to tell me just one thing. It's your Squeezer overshoot or not? Yes or no?
And suppose what does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that, and so on.
But isn't my guess better really now?
Don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me, your guest certainly has his good points. He is purebred, firm on his feet, has well strong legs, and all that. But my dear man, if you want to know the truth, that dog has two defects. He's old and he is short in the muzzle.
Excuse me, my heart. Let's take the fact. You will remember that on our Marusinski hunt, my guests run neck and neck with the count dog, while your squeezer was left a bold words behind.
He got left behind because the counts deeper in him with his breed.
And with the good reason, the dogs are running after a fox when a squeezer goes and start worrying a sheep.
It's not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper, and so just because of that, let's stop arguing. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dog. Yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, aren't blameless. You no sooner begin with this, that, and the other, and all that. I remember everything.
I remember too.
I remember too. What do you remember?
My heart, my food's gone to sleep. I can't.
My heart was short of wondering why you thought you go and die on the teacher oven and take back we will not go after foxes, my heart.
Yes, really. What sort of a hunter are you, anyway? You out to sit at home with your palpitations and not go tracking animals. You could go hunting, but you only go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. Let's change the subject in case I lose my temper. You are not a hunter at all.
Wait, here it says that story start हुई थी दो डॉग से, बाद में पता चला कि वो दोनों फॉक्स का हंटर करने गए थे और गोली लग गई थी किसी को. Am I right? And second thing, here the Chubuko character is again losing temper and the same problem. I am not feeling my left leg, something like this, 1-4. Okay, and here that it says that I am losing my, before I lose my temper, you should change the subject and you are not a hunter at all. Again, the problem चेंज नहीं हुआ है, टॉपिक चेंज हुई है और कैरेक्टर बाहर आ गए घर से. दैट्स इट. चलिए.
And are you a hunter? You only go hunting to get it with the count and to intrigue you. Oh my heart, you are an intriguer.
What? I am an intriguer?
खड़ा.
Shut up.
Intriguer.
Boy, pop.
Old red Jesuit.
Shut up. Or I will shoot you like a
Partridge.
you fool.
Everybody knows that. Oh my heart, your late wife used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks. I fall.
And you are under the sleeper of your housekeeper.
There. My heart bursts. My shoulders come off. Where is my shoulder? I died. A doctor.
Boy, milk so full. I am sick.
What sort of the hunter are you? You can't even sit on the horse. What's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa. He wants to die.
He's dead.
I am sick. I can't breathe air.
Oh.
Is that even? What have you done to me? It's dead. A doctor.
Oh, what is it? What's the matter?
It's died. It's dead.
Who's dead? So he is. My world, water, a doctor. To loco, drink please. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife, give me a pistol. He seems to be coming around. Drink some water, that's right.
I see stars, mist. Where am I?
Hurry up and get married. And well to the devil with you. She is willing. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in a peace.
In what? To whom?
She is willing. Well, kiss and be damned to you.
Like, yes, I agree.
Kiss each other.
Okay. Very nice too. Excuse me, what's all about? आगे read करें इसके बाद.
Oh, now I understood. My heart starts. I am happy. Natalia, my foot's gone to sleep.
I am happy too.
What a weight off my shoulders. Oh,
But still you will attempt now. The gas is hot than squeezer.
Better.
Worse.
well, that's a way to start your family. Please have some
Champagne.
champagne.
Here's better.
Worse.
Champagne.
अरे लाइट इधर की क्यों बंद कर दी?
सर जब डिजिटल स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फिर दिखता है।
लास्ट में कुछ इस तरह से हुआ था, ये दोनों में वो मतलब एक तो दादाजी को खड़ा रहा नहीं जाता, लड़ने पहुंच गया है लोगों को भी अलग ही तारे दिख रहे होते दिन के अंदर उसे एवरी टाइम। टू स्टेटमेंट यूज while and while. I can't feel my leg and I am seeing star where I am. इतना स्ट्रेस क्योंकि उसे पानी पीना होता है, तो चक्कर आने लगा, गिरने लगा, उसको लगा ये मर गया है, ये अपनी हीरोइन जो थी उसको लगा ये मर गया है, तो क्या हो रहा है, मेरा शोल्डर गिर रहा है, समथिंग लाइक दिस। बोथ द पर्सन इज बिहेविंग लाइक अ किड, बोथ दादाजी एंड अवर हीरो, बोथ द पर्सन। एट द एंड सी नाउ दिस टुबुको सेज अब शादी कर लो तुम लोग, मैं जब तक साफ हो जाऊँ उससे पहले। And after that, both the character accepted each other, and after that, there was a good champagne. Now, problem solved. काफी भयानक ड्रामा था ये वाला। खैर अच्छा ही था, चले थोड़ा फनी होने के कारण से ये फिर भी बहुत लेंदी था यार। Forget दो स्टोरी, सही बात। We will start. Okay, still our lecture is too much. 15 minutes or. We will discuss some meanings, and after that we will see figure of speech if it is in book or not. आज ऐसा कोई लेक्चर नहीं है ना? And let me ask you a question. How many of you are not comfortable in reading textbook? Some of you stand up. Reading comfortable नहीं हो तुम? You also. You both are in 10th standard. हमने बस एक जनरल कॉन्वर्जेशन था, कोई बहुत भयानक नहीं था, बस जो लिखा था वो बोलना था, समझाने की भी जरूरत नहीं थी। You two are facing प्रॉब्लम इन रीडिंग, तुमको और तुमको। तो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एग्जाम्स? लर्न कैसे करते हो जब रीड नहीं कर पाते? रीड कर पाते हो या यहाँ नहीं कर पाए? या बहुत लोगों को फियर ऑफ पब्लिक ऐसा कुछ होता है कि सबके सामने बोल नहीं पाते, अभी यहाँ खड़ा कर दूंगा तो हो गया कल्याण। और आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, मैं तुम दोनों के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि यह आ नहीं रहा है या यहाँ बोलने में घबरा गए? ओके बोलो, तो यहाँ नहीं कंफर्टेबल हुए या आता है रीड करना? आता है रीड करना पक्का? दिस इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल। ये तो इतने बच्चे हैं, 50 बच्चों के बीच में अगर आप आगे पढ़ने जाओगे तो वहां पे आपको बोल दिया कि फ्यूचर में अगर आप कुछ भी फील्ड लेते हो, वहां बोल दिया कि स्टैंड अप एंड रीड, तो वहां कैसे हैंडल करोगे? कल को यहाँ आके कभी यहाँ पे आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन कि इन दिस स्कूल देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस और स्पीच ऑन द स्टेज, होता है कभी इस तरह का? तो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग स्टफ लाइक दैट? ओके यू डू नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ पब्लिक फेयर समथिंग। बाकी के तुम दोनों नहीं, पूछा नहीं किसी ने, कभी हाथ ही नहीं ऊपर किया। और तुम ओके सिट डाउन। थोड़ा ध्यान देना, 10th में लबड़ नहीं जाना है। ओके चलिए, okay, this chapter contains lots of meaning. Okay, there is a word mower, M-O-W-E-R, the person who cut grass, mower. The person who cuts grass. रास्कल का मतलब क्या होता है? रास्कल, यू नो मीनिंग? स्टैंड अप। नॉट प्रॉपर, सिट डाउन। रास्कल मीन अ dishonest man or a cruel one, dishonest person. Fetch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch means what? To go after and to bring back someone. Fetch का मतलब होता है to go after and bring back someone.
Go sir, go.
To go, yes, go.
To go after.
And bring back someone. Now अब आप बताएंगे evidence means what? Evidence means लिखो। सबूत को कैसे लिखेंगे हम इंग्लिश में? प्रूफ। ओके, आपका नाम क्या है लास्ट बेंच? देवराज। ओके, अब जो कुछ मीनिंग पूछूंगा देवराज आंसर देंगे। ओके, और इजी ही पूछूंगा, हार्ड नहीं पूछूंगा। चलो, अच्छा प्रोग्राम चेंज हो गया, इजी है ही नहीं कुछ। There is a word expense. You are not allowed to speak in between. मुझे क्या देख रहे हो? आंसर लिखो। एक्सपेंस इजी वर्ड है। अच्छा एक मिनट, तुम जो लिख रहे हो बाद में फिर राइट आंसर कुछ और ना बोलो। तुम मिश्रा जी बोलिए, क्या लिखे आप?
The money used on something.
Anyone else? The exact meaning of is the same answer. Expense means expenditure. Expenditure. Yes, a word. Peasant, P-E-A-S-A-N-T, peasant को इंग्लिश में खेड़ूत कहते हैं। Farmer, peasant means farmer. इंटरप्ट का मतलब बताओ देवराज। इंटरप्ट का मतलब, डू यू नो? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल स्टैंड, डू यू नो? यस और नो? इंटरप्शन मीन्स व्हाट? थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको, बाकी सब अपने हिसाब से सोचो बस। छाप तो तुम सब रहे हो लेकिन कुछ और ना बीच में बोलना इज द राइट आंसर। सो हाउ यू विल यूज दैट वर्ड इन आंसर शीट? यू नो? Sorry? Anyone else? Here, very good. Then also sit down. To ask questions or say something while another person is speaking, that is called interruption. Or we can say in between speaking. In between speaking is a different word. कोई बोल रहा हो तो आप बीच में पूछोगे या बीच में बोलोगे तो उसे इंटरप्शन कहेंगे। बोल पीछे वाले को आंसर।
English. What? I can't ask anything.
Let me tell you, I will tell Kai to ask questions or say something while another person is. Okay. Lecture is over.